Hello class 5th, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Class 5th friends, this is computer subject and me Tarkishwar sir, your computer teacher. Listen carefully. In this video, I am talk about a new chapter in your computer book. So for that, firstly you just open your book on page number 124. Okay, so everyone just open that the page number 124 in the computer book. Okay, the chapter is 8. The chapter is 8 and the name of that chapter is Introduction to MS Excel. Okay, the name of this chapter is Introduction to MS Excel. As you know very well, this chapter is very important for you because of the next class, it means the class 6, this application, it means the MS Excel application has the 2-3 chapters in your next classes. Okay, so for that, now here if you just understand thoroughly and just remember the all things, those is given here. Okay, then after you will be able to do perform on it. Okay, so everyone just open the page number 124 and on there just see what is MS Excel. So MS Excel is a spreadsheet application. Okay, MS Excel is a spreadsheet application and this application manage to your tabulation data. Tabulation data, it means those data you create in a table, because the name of spreadsheet is collection of two words, spread and sheet. The name of spreadsheet is collection of two words, spread and sheet. Spread means a large. Okay, spread means large and sheets another name is a table. Okay, a very big, a very large table is known as a spreadsheet. Okay, in this application comes comes in which software? This application comes in which software? So MS Office, listen carefully. The name of that software, MS Office. Okay, MS Office is the name of that software where the MS Excel comes. Okay, MS Excel comes in MS Office software. Okay, now go to next topic is this. We have to just go search. MS Excel is an application that how can we just open that application. Okay, so starting MS Excel. Okay, starting MS Excel. On there written the name of version 2013. It means you have used the version Office 2013. Okay. For the starting MS Excel, you have choose this button that name is Start Menu. Name of that button is Start Menu, and I think that menu is located on your computer screen taskbar. Okay, computer screen taskbar, this icon is represented, and when you click over there, then after you open R program folder. R program folder. Okay. After the selecting this start menu, you just go and open the R program folder. Okay. When you just open the R program folder, on there what you have to see? You have seen on there in the R program folder such types of applications, such types of folders is given on there, and on it you have to select Microsoft Office. Which one you have to select? Microsoft Office. Good. You have select Microsoft Office in R program. When you just select Microsoft Office, on there you have seen a lot of application is given. It means 7-8 application is given on there. You select only MS Excel. You select only MS Excel. When you select MS Excel, on that the application is going to be start. So it is a procedure to start MS Excel application. Are you got it? Good. The next topic in this application, component of MS Excel window. Okay. Component of MS Excel window. As you all of you know that when you open an application, so rectangle portion of application, window is view in front of you, and on there the topmost, it means the toppest bar. The toppest bar is known as a title bar. The toppest bar is known as a title bar. On that title, another option is given. That's the name is a quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. Because here is such type of icon. When you click over them, that's automatically opened. Okay. Now the downside of that, the much more option is given here, and that calls ribbon. Okay, that one calls ribbon. What the calls about that? That one's called ribbon. Now after that, when the finishing point, it means the above of taskbar, the above of taskbar, another bar is given, that name is status bar. That bar name is a status bar. So hope you are able to understand about it. Okay. The last understanding things in this Excel, I am going to just present in front of you. That means is this: when you have seen a spreadsheet, those look in the sky. Okay. On there it's a given A, B, C, E, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a called, these are all called columns heading. It means all the English alphabet character, those are representing the vertical things, are known as a column, and all the horizontal things, those are represented by the numbers, that is called the row headings. So hope you understand about it, the column heading and as well as the row heading, and its whole is known as a sheet. Okay. Another interesting thing in a cell, it is a select all portion. This portion name is a select all, and the intersect parts, it means that one part, those are intersect here, it's called a cell. Okay, a cell is an intersection rectangular part in a spreadsheet. So hope you are understand about MS Excel. So today's till here I taught you. On the next day I taught after that. Okay, now you just revise about MS Excel and try to make a list in this spreadsheet. Type a list in a spreadsheet application. Thank you.